Welcome. Today I am with Amazon Echo Studio and I'm going to show you how you can make a phone and video call. So we have to be connected with our Amazon Alexa application. That's very obvious, and we got two ways. We can make it manually by using application or make it by using our voice. So the first option, we can go for the communicate, tap on the call, and we can pick our contact. So for example this one, and right now we are able to pick the video call. That's how it works. But we can also say, Alexa, could you please make a call to HardReset?
Calling HardReset's Alexa devices.
Okay, so as you can see, it's working. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.